So over here you can see that I got 3 audio tracks, and if I were to play it, then this is what I hear. Hello and welcome to my podcast, and this is the episode 1 of the tech series. And in this episode, so now what you hear out is you hear out my audio, which is on the 2 different tracks, and you hear out the background music as well. So let's say you just want to hear out the voiceover and not the background music. In that case, what you can do is you can mute out the background audio right here. And now if I were to play this, hello and welcome to my podcast, I only hear out the voiceover now. If you want to mute out this voiceover itself as well, and you just want to hear this, you can mute this out as well. And now only this will be heard out. If you want to unmute it, simply click on the mute button and everything will be unmuted. And if you want to mute out the other layers and only listen to one of the audio tracks right here, you can click on solo, and what happens is that all of the other tracks gets muted out just like this, as you can see. And you can click on the mute button to unmute this out over here as well, or click on solo multiple times to mute and unmute out other tracks inside of Audacity. So that is how you can solo out tracks and then mute tracks inside of Audacity. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.